All right, guys, welcome back to another video with your man Jay. So today we're going to be looking at a really nice product. This is by Foxpark, and it is a solar-powered wireless backup cam. Now in this box, it's supposed to be a 5-inch monitor. It's a 2-channel setup, and it's 1080p with super night vision. This is nice. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this open here, and I appreciate them sending this over. Really different, something different. It's been a minute since I debuted some car stuff. This is, in fact, tech. So, let's see here. All right, nice presentation so far. Come on, buddy. All right. Little 5-inch screen, so you got your manual right here. I'll get into that. And then you have the actual license plate bracket right here. This is the actual camera right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this off. Here. There it is. Make sure you take that off, so your camera will be blurry or whatever. So this pretty much mounts on with your license plate bracket. So that's pretty nice. And the front here is the solar panel. That's crazy. So you got a bracket here with some adhesive. And looks like that's it for that part. And then you got all the cables and stuff in here. Probably you got suction cup. Oh, this is for your monitor. And then you've got the power USB here. See, a USB cable. And you got a car. You got your car charger, and it's got a USB port right there, which I think is nice. And this part goes into the back of the camera. So be sure that if you don't mess up this joint right here, because this is how it's going to power. It's got this special cable right here. The only thing that can power it. So just keep that in mind when you start messing with this. So next, here is your little monitor here. This is really crazy. I think I'm going to mount this somewhere after I do this video. I'm going to mount it and kind of hide it away or whatever. So I need to get this in the sun. So this is going to be a 2-part video. I'm going to have to get it out on the car and everything, and so you can catch some sun. Please fully charge and turn on the solar battery at first use. So that's what the USB cable is going to be for. Actually, I'm going to need to power. I'm going to charge it up real quick, and then I'll put it in the sun because you want it to be fully charged so it's running off of battery. So here's everything that comes in the box. Here's the mounting bracket or whatever, and I'll show you some more here in just a minute. So you're going to see this real time, but give me a couple hours to charge this up, and we'll be right back. Now, before I get deep into the video, just want to give you a closer look at the camera itself. This is going to stick out a little bit on your car or whatever, but it slides off like that. So you can see right here, it slides on and off. So if you need to leave this on, or you want to take it off because you're going somewhere, whatever, you don't want to try to take it, depending on what community you live in. So also the camera twists like this. You can angle it how you want to angle it. This is a backup camera, but I'm thinking about putting this on the front of my car because I have a backup camera, but I'll test it either way for you. It can tilt up. It's got a little HD branding right there, so the camera tilts. This is really, really nice. So you can angle this how you want. And so what you want to do is you want to remove that first, and then you want to mount this onto your car bracket where your license plate or whatever is at. Obviously, you want to tuck it behind, so this isn't covering your license plate. And then then you'll mount the camera back on after you get it set to the way you want. So this is supposed to be really, really stable. It says in connection. So now let's take a look at the monitor itself. So here's the monitor. Nice little small compact monitor. This is going to be really nice. You got your controls and things over here. It looks like menu, and then you've got an up and down selector there. And this is just the cable that goes into it here in the back that leads down to the car charger. So I'm going to mount this kind of low so I don't have cables running all across the window or whatever. I don't think I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this, but I'm going to mount it in a different spot. Got a little full carbon fiber back there. Look at this. Okay. It's going to be a pretty strong suction on there. And it just mounts up here like this. There you go. And you can mount it like however you want to mount it on the actual car window itself. And the suction cup is pretty strong, but these tend to wear out every now and then a little bit faster than normal. And these not being the best quality, we'll see how this one works out. But we'll see how that goes. But that's the mounting bracket. But the monitor itself, it's got a frosted matte screen on here, so that's pretty good. And it's got a little shaded area if you do mount it up in the sun. It should deal with it pretty well. And then that's pretty much it. Looks like you got speaker out and speaker on the top as well. It's a little stubby antenna right here. The antenna looks like it can screw off. So if in fact you find another model that can get a longer antenna, that's something you might want to invest in. But that's a look at all the things that come in the box as far as what you're the essentials. And we're going to mount it up, charge it up, and mount it up. Let's go. All right, now inside the car, the monitor, it paired up quick, man. You just hit the power button on the actual reverse camera, and then boom, that's it, you're in. It synced itself. I didn't have to do anything, but if you needed to sync it, you could. So I plan on having this mounted down here. I think it's going to be really nice. The only thing I don't like about this system is that it has this special plug here that you have to use. That connection has to be used, and I don't really like that. I wish I could just run it. I could hardwire it, but I'm saying I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to have it mounted right here, and then that's going to be what it is. And I think that's going to be really dope right there. The signal is really strong, like they advertised. And I think this is nice, man. So this is a real brief video to show you exactly how it's how it works. I could even mount it somewhere down there, whatever. But this is really, really nice, man. So you got a button here to fire it up if you don't sync it with your reverse. I believe that button right there, boom, it turns it back on. That way you don't have to reach down and hit the menu button on the actual camera itself or the power button at all. It'll do it itself. So this is really, really convenient. I'm just gonna mount this up, probably have it right here somewhere, and I'll drill it in or put some Gorilla Tape so I know it sticks. And that's gonna be it, man. The only thing I don't like about the system is how far it sticks out from the license plate. I think that's kind of like, but it is what it is. It's really nice. It's really solar powered, and I think it's going to be a nice addition. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.